People swept in avalanches are alive tonight as teams deal with dangerous mountain conditions out there. Thanks for joining us. I'm Brian Malahi.
And I'm Mika Miyashima. 2 avalanches struck in Big Cottonwood Canyon, and there's new information tonight. Our Christian Sita joins us live with the very latest. Christian.
Yeah, 2 avalanches and several rescues. Now, the latest information we have about that rescue, they tell us that a 40-year-old man was involved and that he sustained non-life-threatening injuries.
For hikers nearby, the sound was immediate.
It was kind of alarming.
The helicopters were responding to an avalanche in Butler Fork, where 2 skiers were caught and buried.
When you actually see it in person, it becomes a lot more real.
2 of the individuals were caught up in the avalanche, and another party that was skiing witnessed it. They were able to dig them out.
A 57-year-old man is in critical condition, and a 48-year-old man is in serious condition.
They're very lucky that so far they've survived.
In a separate incident near Days Fork, a backcountry skier was caught and carried by another avalanche, but survived with non-life-threatening injuries. As crews worked through the afternoon,
and while we were up here, we got 4 other calls of a similar nature.
Rescuers say conditions in the backcountry remain unpredictable and dangerous.
In an avalanche, sometimes you only have minutes.
For Martinez, it's the lesson he won't forget.
Definitely wasn't really a consideration for me until today.
Now, the Sheriff's Office wants to remind the public, if you do choose to recreate in the backcountry, to make sure you're not doing it alone and to bring the proper equipment. Reporting live, Christian Sita, KUTV 2 News.